Welcome friends in our drawing grade class, especially for standard 7, 8. We are now through the process of learning various types of constructions related with lines, triangles and squares. Today also we are going to learn a new type of quadrilateral called as kite. Related to kite, we are going to learn some constructions, and after that, if we have sufficient time, we will learn more construction about this circle too. Okay, so let's start the constructions. See the question, friends. We have two diagonals and one side, and construction is for kite only. So question is like that: construct a kite with its two diagonals being 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter long, and its one side 4 centimeter in length. Now today we have to construct a kite. For that, draw a vertical line first. And measure 5 centimeter diagonal, small diagonal at first. This much. Okay, now let's name them. AB, it is 5 centimeter in length, first diagonal. And now obviously the second diagonal is crosses this line. For that, we have to draw a bisector here, or we can call it as a perpendicular. So keep your pointer at point B. Like this, and use the A point 2. This way we get 2 points. So draw a line. Check the points first. Well, this is line L. Consider it as L because we have to take 7 centimeter here. For that, think about the one side at first. It is 4 semi in length. So take 4 semi. Measurement in our compass like that, then placing point B, cross the line L here, very near it is, no problem. And the crossing point, middle point, we called it as M. Okay, this AB line, and when we call this side continuously, that's why let's replace this B letter here and A, B, C. So consider here point C. it's better for us to read the name of that quadrilateral. Okay, so this length is 4 centimeter as given in our question. After checking, join that points B and C, we get one side of our kite. Okay, and one more point too. Consider this B point, and we have to take this much length on second diagonal, and that is 7 centimeter. So let's count. Take the measurement here like this. This much is 7 centimeter. So placing pointer at B, cross line L like this, and we get one more point here, and that is A, B, C and D. Okay, and now join all the points simply. The construction is over. In this way we get our kite. Now watch the second question related to kite again. So two types of questions are related to kite here. First one we already learnt, and the second one here, unequal sides we have to given 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter, and that adjacent sides contains 100-degree angle. Okay, so the question is like that: construct a kite with two of its unequal sides being 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter long respectively, and the containing angle being of 100 degree. Understand? Likewise, we have question in our question paper. So let's start the construction. Here we have to draw one line again, and this line is, if we consider as one side of our kite, so take 5 centimeter here, in this way. So it is a side, so continue letters we used for naming A, B, C, D like that. So don't have any problem for likely. Here we have 2 points and one angle also. So measure angle here or here. Measure here, that is better for us. Well, use a big protractor. Place that protractor on this line. We have already a big line, use that line. Like this, and inside this we have to count. So start counting from left side, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like this up to 100. This much. Okay, and it's joint. This way. Now these are the two adjacent sides, unequal sides. This is 5 centimeters, so obviously this one is 3. So very simple it is. So take again 3 semi in our compass. And placing at point B, cross that line. So ABC, and you can name this line as line L. ABC, we get two lines and one angle. This much information is given in our question only. Now we have to construct remaining using the same information. So for that we need this side and this side. So for this side is equal. You know that because this construction is for kite. So take 5 centimeter, or we have already 3 semi measurements, so use that first. Draw an arc and then take 5 centimeter. We already measure it. This much line is 5 centimeter, so no need to check on our scale. Simply placing at A the pointer cross that arc. In this way we get one more point. Understand? So place that point, and A, B, C and D sequentially we get all the points. Simply joining them, our construction is over. Understand? In this way we get our kite. Friends, now we are going to learn the constructions related to the circle. Okay, now we learned already kite, then triangle, and line division. All this construction we learned already. Now including the constructions about circles. So here the question is like that: construct a triangle ABC with AB 6 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter and CA 5 centimeter. Then describe a circle passing through the 3 points A, B and C. Okay, like this the question is designed. Now for that we know how to draw a triangle. We already learned it. So start a construction using this long length. So for that draw a line and measure 6 semi. This much. Okay, AB line it is. Names already given to us, 6 semi. Now friends, we have 2 more lines, BC and CA. So B point is here and BC is 4 centimeter. So like that. Take 4 centimeter in our compass in this way. Placing our pointer at B, draw an arc like this. Understand? After that we have again one more length, that is CA, means A or C. We can read like this too. Here is C point. For that, taking 5 centimeter in our compass, cross that arc only. This way we get C point. But our question says us that describe a circle passing through the same points A, B, C. For that we have to draw a circle here and we need a radius. That's why to getting that radius or a middle point correctly, we have to draw bisector perpendicular for this and for this length, or any 2 length we use. It's better to us, easy for drawing. So take more than half length in our compass like this, in this way, and here also take more than half length. And when we join these 4 points to each other, we get 2 perpendiculars. Join these 2 points first. And when we join these 2 points, in this way we get one intersecting point here, joining point, that 2 perpendicular crosses to each other here only. Give the name O. Okay, and when we take O up to A, check it out first. Correct it is. Draw a circle like this. Understand? In this way we can draw a circle passing through the same points A, B, C. Okay, now let's learn next construction related again circle. So friends, the next question related to the circle is like that. We have here again 2 informations, one angle and one radius. The question is like that. The angle of the sector is of 36 degree and its radius is 3 semi. Describe a circle outside this sector to touch the arms and the arc of that sector. Like that we have a question here. For that, draw the sector first, 36 degree. Draw a line, 36 degree. Here we need, so use protractor here. Place one point like that. Suppose it may be A. Okay, now place your protractor on that line, using that line. Right side, start counting 0, 10, 20, 30 and 36. This much. Join them in this way. We get 36 degree angle only. We have to draw a sector here. For that, the sector having radius 3 semi. So take 3 semi using scale. This way. Placing point A. Check it out. Well, draw an arc like this. A, this one is B and this point is C, and this is our sector. Okay, now let's divide this angle first. Now for that again we need one arc. So instead of draw one new arc, let's use that much only, this old one arc, and take some distance and using the point B and C, draw crosses arc here. We get one point, and after joining that point and A, oh wait, hold it, the scale firmly. In this, well, we do it. Now we get E point here, cross point, in this way. So friends, look at this point E and this arc too. So next construction is that we have to draw here one tangent crossing that point E. Okay, so for that we need again compass and place our pointer here, take some distance, same distance in this way, and we get the same distance from point E, and using that points, the new points, these two, place your pointer here and take more distance and draw an arc up and down. After that use this new point and draw an arc, crosses on the same arc. In this way we get 2 points. So place that point first, and after joining that point we get a tangent across that same point E. This way, okay, and now in this way we get this angle and this angle. We have to bisect anyone, this or this, no problem, bisect anyone. So let's bisect this EB, and we need to read one more letter, EB. B point is here, only here, and this new crossing point, let's give the name EF, and G here, this B is here. Well, I write that B letter near to this point, and this C letter near to this point, and we get one more point here. We don't need that, so no need to name it EFG. This angle we have to bisect, and when our bisector crosses this bisector, we get our point, center point of our circle. Okay, now only one step remains here, bisect this angle only, and we know how to bisect the angle. Very simple it is. take some common distance. This one, and when we join that F point to this new point, look at this point. This is E, and this one, let's give name O. So taking that much distance only, OE, we can draw a circle. Touching two lines and our sector 2, touching that tangent to point E, in point E. So in this way we can draw a circle inside and touching the point E inside that angle, understand, and the angle is 36 degree particularly. See, this circle is outside this sector but inside this much what we can say, angle, understand. The question is like that, draw a circle outside the sector, but it must be touched to the tangent at point E, understand. So let's come to the next construction. So the next question, friends, related to again circle. So here only radius is given to us and we have to construct equal circles, and also all the circles touch to each other. So the question is like that, outside a circle of radius 2.5, outside the circle of radius 2.5, outside draw 6 equal circles, each to touch to each others, and the circumference of that given circle. So draw like the circles touching each other like a flower. So first of all we have to use this information. Take 2.5 same length, in our compass like this and draw a circle. Okay, now using the same length, participate this circumference into 6 parts. Like this. So here we get cross points. And this one is O. Now join all the points and draw lines. like this. So 6 parts we get. We have to divide all the angles again to get again more what we say 6 parts, total 12. So for that we have to divide this angle, then these, then these, then these, like this. All the angles we have to divide. So let's start. We need one arc here. So already we have 2 points. So no need to draw again more arc like that. Do. In this way. When we join that O and this getting point, and when we extend this line, automatically this angle can be divided. Okay, so very simple it is. So divide one more. So friends, this is the middle point O, and let's name here again this point and this point as A and point B. Okay, now let's give the names inside. Point A and point B. This. So we have to draw a tangent here along this point. So name this point also point E. And we know the construction, we already seen it in the previous construction already. For that, draw 2 arcs on the same point, say using same length like this. So place this point and draw an arc both the sides. So we get again 2 more points crossing that arcs, and this one. Join all the 3 in one line. In this way. So this is tangent for this sector AOB. For this sector, this is a tangent only, and this is the angle. Now we have here again E and this, let's give the name, no problem. F, E and G, like this. We get one angle here and one angle here. We have to draw a bisector for this or this. So let's draw a bisector. Again, draw a arc like that, and we get 2 points. So using that points, place our pointer there and taking some distance. in this way we get a bisector of this angle EBG. What I say? EG, and let's give here name H. EGH, angle EGH, this one. Look at this point. We get one more point. Bisector of that angle and bisector of this angle. Bisector of angle AOB and bisector of angle EGH. We get a middle point here. Understand? And taking this much length, let's give a name M. Here it is. This much length. We can draw a circle. Oh. Taking this same length, we need all the middle points and the same distance also. So do like this. Take OM, this much length, and cross all lines. Okay, so we get this bisector crosses this line, center point. Again here, this line not crosses. Okay, this point, then this one, and this one, this one. So using same length, no need to bisect now new angles or to draw a tangent. Simply use that same distance only, using that same points, the same distance, this much. Start drawing all the circles. So friends, we draw one circle and touching circles, and also all circles touches each other. So the same previous construction. So remember this previous construction in your mind. That is useful here. We need one tangent and one angle bisector when they crosses to each other. O to E, that much is our radius. Remember it well. And in this way, today we will stop here. We will learn remaining construction in the next period. Till then, goodbye, good day, and take care.